Hello everyone, welcome back to Phuket Time Report. Now we are at Central Phuket to take you to about the new method for protect everyone to come here at Central Phuket. Let's check it out together. Central Phuket proceeds the measure to protect everyone from COVID-19 infection. From the infection of COVID-19 in the present time, Central Shopping Centre by Central Development Public Company Limited around Thailand, especially Central Phuket, proceed the strict measure to protect all customers from the infection by attentiveness and enough time around Central Phuket. The procedures consist of: first, there is the big cleaning day on every Tuesday. It is spraying antiseptic around Central Phuket after the close time in every Tuesday night. Second, cleaning public area and all around in every 1 hour. For example, escalator railing, redemption counter, ATM and more than. The third, spraying antiseptic inside and outside of elevator in every 30 minutes. Fourth, checking the physical temperature both staff and customer. If anyone has temperature to be higher than 37.5 Celsius degree, we suggest them to go to see doctor. Fifth, there are the thermal scan checkpoint on the main tourist entrance and thermal infrared around Central Phuket. And Central Phuket also collaborate with many hospitals and ready to send the rich people to hospital. 6. Central Phuket emphasize all staff to wear the mask in every time. 7. There is setting the alcohol gel around Central Phuket. And 8. Central Phuket offer our customer alcohol gel at all parking card machines. Central Phuket ready to update the epidemic situation and proceed the protection measure for making the trust and safety to everyone. This is the new method for protect everyone from COVID-19 infection. This is the spraying about a sterilized solution after the close time of Central Phuket. If you have any comment, please feel below this clip and see you again next time on Phuket Time Report.